everyone, this is the new dual-powered paper feeding mechanism, installation, and usage tutorials. Assemble the brackets according to the video. First, install the left and right brackets. There are 2 screws on the front and 2 screws on the side. After installation, lock the screws. When applying the film for the first time, you need to adjust the position of the film so that all the pressure gears are on the film. The distance exposed on both sides of the film is roughly the same. Close the upper mold. Tighten the film evenly. Press the pressure gear. Turn on the upper mold switch. Retract the film by about 5 centimeters. It can cancel the missing paper alarm. Move the mold a little. Check if the film is deviated. If the printing film deflects to the left, press the right bracket down a little, and vice versa, until the printing film stops deflecting.